RiKhasi Plie Jagatayo, Myntri Rangbah Kajilau Conrad K Sangmau la Plie Ba Ekayo Idi Thiet, Yakablatip Kum ka Rural Market Complex, Sohiong. RiKhasi lai Donlang Myntri Katanat CNRD Uba Hamlet Sendoling, Uba Samlin Malngyang MLA ka Sohiong berupa given Milim MLA ka Sora. Myntri Rangbah habakran RiKhasi ulang baka sorkar barabor kadon ka jingtmu ban ai ka jingkershan berkajerap syakinong rep jong kajala. Berkejingdan jangan kayo kumta kan ai kejimentoy shibun ikinong rep hakabakila banwanra ikimar rep jongki hakador kabaki sengoy hab.
When this project was brought to my notice to be discussed with the donor ministry and to be discussed with the NEC, and there were many leaders who at that time had discussed this very important project. And today it gives me immense pleasure to finally be here to inaugurate the building. I can very happily tell you that I have been part of the journey of this building, of this market complex from the very beginning. And therefore it gives me even more pleasure and more happiness to see that it is finally completed. I must thank and congratulate our local MLA, Sri Samlin, who has been instrumental in ensuring that this project was completed on time. I must thank all the other leaders who are present out here, including the MDC and the other leaders like our MLA from Sora constituency, who is present out here with us, who have played a very important role to ensure that this project was completed.